If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello. Hello. Bam. All right. Welcome to Mail Call. Ta-da! Christmas. For real. You hear me talk about that all the time because every time I get something in the mail, to me it's Christmas. That means Santa came and left something. Great old Santa. Love Santa. Santa says, Santa that. Okay. All right, my friends. Are you ready to find out what's in this box? So am I. Now, a friend of mine, a good close friend of mine, sent me this. And he's a silent name, so I can't mention the name. But here's the box. So let's get this thing cutting. So, Mr. Announcer, how was your day at school today, sir?
Oh, it was okay. There was a fight that broke out in the hallway, and it seemed like the whole school saw it.
Another one?
Yeah.
Now, that's weird stuff now, because I never hear of that. I mean, that's rare.
Yeah, we don't have very many at all.
Wow, something's changing over there. Huh. I think it's called communication breakdown. Now, let's see what I got. I think it's something to eat. Oh, yes, maybe. You never know what he puts in here, right?
Definitely different things.
Yes. I'm thinking, like, is it popcorn? I can eat popcorn. I can tear this apart. All right, here we go.
Well, the box says popcorn, however,
Yes.
it could be incognito.
So that like that, that like that, that like that. We just throw that like that. No, we won't. Okay, here we go. Looks so good. In fact, I think we have some popcorn.
Okay, Orville Redenbacher Tender White. I don't think I've seen that one.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever heard of it. Of course, we never look for it, do we?
Well, no, we always get the extreme butter version.
Yeah, love the extreme. Oof. Oh, Lord. Eat the whole bag. Okay. Oh, well. You only live once, right? Might as well go out happy. Here we go. Ah! Thank you, Lord. Thank you for thinking about me. I'm alive and feeling fine. Let's try that.
Oh.
Very good. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, and double thank you. Yes, I use all this stuff. Oh, and look what else we got. Peppermints. The last time he sent these, we ate them all, remember? Yes.
Yay.
Ah, peppermints. Yes, I'll have one in the shower in a minute. Yep. Ah, here we go. Then we have a new one here. Look at that one, Mr. Announcer. You'd like to talk about that a bit?
Well, it's a menthol pain relieving patch. It looks like a generic version of your Salon Paws to try out.
Yeah, we'll see how they match up. You know, sometimes the over-the-counter version, the, what do you call it, genetic version, works just as good as the original version. You never know till you try it, right? And you get 8 patches in this one. I'm sorry, lasts up to 8 hours. You get 1 large patch of this. Well, we will try that tonight. After our shower, bam, that's going to go on. Tomorrow morning, bam, that'll go on. Now we're not done yet. Oh, we got more stuff in here. Oh, yes.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah, they are. The real McCoys, too. Use them all. I'll use these religiously. Oh. And we got much more peppermints. And we got the 4%. Yay! Got those too. Thank you, my friend. Thank you with 1,000 thank yous.
That's a nice little pile of peppermint.
Yes, look at that. And we got a pen, I don't know what kind it is. It could be just a box, you know, saying that, but we're going to find out. Right? Right. Here we go. It is.
That's
Wow.
a pretty blue one.
Wow. Okay. It is. Wow. He. Okay. Like he just sent me a Pennider fountain pen. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting that at all. A double wow? Wow. Well, thank you, my friend. I wasn't expecting any of this, and I sure wasn't expecting a Pennider fountain pen, and wow. I'm stunned. Wow. Oh, I feel better already. Oh, the pain, the pain. Oh, wow. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Wow. That was surprising. Very much surprising. Yeah, we've been buddies now for 6, 7 years, maybe, or longer. 8, maybe. Yeah. I'll read this by myself. And again, thank you for everything you've done for me through the years. You've sent me many things. You've kept me in prayer. You're just a good guy. If I can do anything for you, you know how to get in touch. I'll be there for you. I'm here for you. In fact, I'm here for all of y'all. Each and every one of you. I'll do what I can. God bless you, folks. And I mean that. From the bottom of my heart. As Mr. Announcer falls asleep. So, a lot of peace and a lot of love and a lot of candy. Oh, look at the peppermints. Wow. I think you just put them like a chipmunk. Put your mouth up. Yeah. Something like that. Okay. So anyway. And peace and love, my friends. Be kind to a stranger out there. You never know. You might see some magic happen one day. Don't forget, breast cancer awareness. Not just women get it, men get it. It's a horrible disease. And if we all bond together and do what we can, let's fight it. Let's save someone's life. That's what it's all about. Caring, loving for one another. I mean, truly caring and loving. Not just saying those words because we can say them. But mean it from the heart. That's where it comes. It's got to start right here. And push it out. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.